Here we go, boys. One-hand driving. Who doesn't love that? So we are POVing. Dash, these lights are from the, they call it the restraint system, which is common. I put a bypass in it, and it's still showing, so I don't know if I did it right or not, but here we go. Well, this is my neighborhood, so we got to tone it back a little bit. We're not allowed to have fun. But all other dash things are taken out. We do have our touch screen. All of this gorgeous carbon fiber. This to me is a perfect cockpit. Shiny, beautiful. Have it on end mode earlier and had to do a little peel out in front of the fire chief. They're sitting there, those boys, they love it. Here's another guy, he's got a newer, but it's not an M5, man. It's not an M5, that's an F10. And right, so dash display, flat bottom race, steering wheel. I was gonna do see if anybody wanted to do paddle extensions. They do make paddle handles through a couple different companies, wrap them, but so far we're not. So far we're very hard to do this with one hand, so that's what we're doing. Later.